From resistors to microcontrollers, each component plays a vital role in every device. Let's uncover the function of every part in electronic parts. I'm going to teach you 27 components and their functions. So please make sure you stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like and share to help the channel. And for anyone who wants to accelerate learning, you can join my Patreon page. All links in the description. Let's begin with the resistor. So resistors reduces or controls the flow of electric current in a circuit. It helps divide voltage and protect sensitive components from excess current. Resistors came in fixed or variable types and are measured in ohms. Capacitors. It stores and releases energy. A capacitor stores electrical charge and releases it when needed. It's used for filtering, smoothing, and timing applications. Different types include ceramic capacitors, ASMD ceramic capacitors, electrolytic capacitors, or THT electrolytic capacitors, and tantalum capacitors. And of course, there is other type of capacitors like X2 capacitor and ballast capacitors. Inductor. Please, before diving into the course, we'd like to give a huge thank you to the sponsor for this video, PCBWay. PCBWay offers many services ranging from PCB production and assembly to 3D printing and a variety of materials. CNC machining, sheet metals fabrication, injection molding, and more. PCBWay makes it easy to get custom parts for your project. And if you don't like to work a lot with a soldering iron, they can even assemble your PCBs for you. That's the PCBWay. Now back to the video. Builds a magnetic field from current. An inductor stores energy in the form of magnetic field. When current passes through it, it resists sudden changes in current, making it useful in power supplies and filters. Its value is measured in henries. Diodes. One-way gate for current. A diode allows current to flow in only one direction while blocking the opposite flow. It's used for rectification, polarity protection, and signal demodulation. The most common type is the silicon diode, as you see here. LEDs. Lights up when current passes. A light emitting diode converts electrical energy into light. It's efficient, durable, and used in indicators and displays. Different colors are achieved by changing the semiconductor material. Transistors acts as a switch or amplifier. A transistor controls current flow and can amplify electrical signals. It's made of semiconductor materials with 3 terminals: base, collector, and emitter. Used in nearly every modern electronic device. MOSFETs controls large current using a small signal. A metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor acts as an efficient electronic switch. It controls high current using a low power gate signal, commonly used in power supplies and motor drivers. BJT transistor amplifies or switches current. A bipolar junction transistor uses both electron and hole carriers to operate. It's commonly used in analog amplification and digital switching. 2 main types, NPN and PNP transistor. A relay, electrically operated switch. A relay uses an electromagnetic to open or close electrical contacts. It isolates control circuits from high power loads, common in automation, automotive, and industrial systems. So guys, this is 10 components with their functions, we gonna continue in the next part other components. Basically, the total of components that we gonna study is about 30 components. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like the video. Thank you very much.